Yeah, so today, guys, we're gonna be running over these cars with a remote control car. So first, I'm just gonna show you the cars themselves. Also, look at that sun. Look how nice it is. It's starting to get summer in Australia, which is good. Some old, some new. Pretty random, actually. Cool. Let's see all the cars. Let's just get a good view of this. Before we do that, this is the car we're gonna use. It's a Ferrari. Now the thing with this Ferrari remote control car is that when you drive it, it's like it's got a bit of a steer to it. I think it's just me braking it a lot. I've tried this; it doesn't do anything. Didn't do anything at all. Maybe it did do something. Actually, it did do something. Last time it didn't. So, yeah, we're gonna be running into all of these cars and seeing how far I can go. Okay, good. Also, I forgot to mention we're gonna be doing slow-mo. So let's turn this thing on. Get it repaired. Okay. 3, 2. Okay, let's get a different view. Okay, that's pretty good. 3, 2, 1. Gonna back up a lot this time. Why am I so into destruction? The pro cars. I don't know what they did, but this is what they get for doing something. I don't even know. Or whatever they did. What happened? Again, that was basically all for today, guys. Bye.